Many years ago in Denmark there was a prince called Hamlet. One day Hamlet's father, the king, died suddenly and Hamlet is very sad. After this, Hamlet's mother, Gertrude, gets married again very quickly. She marries her husband's brother Claudius, and Claudius is now the king.
How could you do this to me? There is a ghost in the castle. It is the ghost of your father. Claudius, killing me with poison. Hamlet, you must punish Claudius for me. I'm confused. I don't know if I believe the ghost, and I don't know what to do.
Hamlet now acts very strangely. He is mean and angry, and he upsets his girlfriend Ophelia.
Go away, leave me alone. Oh, he's so mean.
One day a group of actors come to the castle and Hamlet makes a plan. He asks the actors to change their play. The new play will show a king poisoned like Hamlet's father.
In this play, I will catch the king.
When Claudius watches the play, he looks very worried and runs away. Hamlet sees him and he knows the truth. What do you read? Words, words, words. He's going to mother's closet. Behind the arras, I confine myself. You are the queen. And would it were not so, you're my mother.
What will you do? Are you going to kill me? Help! Help! Help!
What? Help! 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 How now, rat? That you are dead. Oh, I'm dead.
If he says he loves you, it would be smart for you to understand that his words can't mean any more thing with the needs of Denmark allowing to me.
I take your wise words and hold them close to my heart.
Claudius is very worried about Hamlet now, and makes a plan with Ophelia's brother, Laertes.
You will fight him.
Oh me, what have you done? I don't know. Is it the king? No, he's not, but he's dead. Oh, Hamlet, speak no more. You are mad.
Laertes and Hamlet fight. Laertes cuts Hamlet, but in the fight, Hamlet takes Laertes' sword and cuts him with it too.
Here, Hamlet, drink this. No, thank you, mother. I'm no thirsty. No, don't!
It was him!
He poisoned us all. And this, and this. There must be a new king. Goodbye, my prince.
For me with sorrow,
And pray my fortune.